Do you know why Rameshwaram is the only Jyotirlinga where devotees never touch the Moola Lingam? Stay till the end, because the reason this lingam cannot be touched goes back to the very moment it was created. After the war in Lanka, Rama came to the seashore. He had defeated Ravana, but he carried the burden of killing a great Shiva devotee. Rama wanted to worship Shiva and pray for relief from that dosha. For this, he needed a lingam. He asked Hanuman to go to Kailasa and bring a sacred lingam from there. But the muhurta for the puja was about to end and Hanuman had not returned. So Sita acted immediately. She took the wet sand from the shore, shaped it with her hands and made a lingam for Rama. Rama performed the prana pratishta. From that moment, the lingam was treated as extremely delicate and full of prana. Because it was a sand-based lingam made by Sita and established by Rama, it had to be protected. Only trained priests were allowed to touch it. Only they could enter the Garbhagriha and perform the Abhisheka. Devotees always stood outside the inner sanctum. As centuries passed, the temple became larger, the corridors were built, and the rituals became more detailed. But this rule never changed. Other Jyotirlingas in India had the tradition where people could touch the lingam or do Abhisheka directly. Some even allow it today. But in Rameshwaram, public touching was never part of the practice. From the beginning, the Moola Linga stayed protected, handled only by the temple archakas, not because of fear, not because of strictness, but because of how this lingam was created. A form made by Sita, prana pratishtha done by Rama, and preserved exactly as it was for more than 1,000 years. This is why Rameshwaram is the only Jyotirlinga where tradition forbids any devotee from ever touching the original lingam. If you want more stories like this, comment Om Namah Shivaya and follow Temple Girl for more temple secrets like this.